Okay, so paano ba hanapin ang number of attempts ng ating mga learners? So pupunta po tayo dito sa ating teacher's dashboard. Then hanap po tayo ng class. Find a class. Example dito sa English PISA, English. Then from there, you are going to locate assignment at the left side. Yan, locate assignment at the left side, then proceed to manage. Click manage. After manage, so andyan makikita nyo yung mga assigned nyo na mga lessons or exercises or quizzes. And from there, makikita nyo yung completed. So may mga fraction dyan and may mga responses. But to find kung saan nakalocate po yung number of attempts, example dito sa PISA Reading Set 3. Ito, hanapin natin siya dito. I-click lang natin tong 4242. Okay, click natin. Then you can see there, the number of attempts. Example for your student named Annalie Gariando. So, yung attempt niya is nag-4 attempts siya. Okay, so best score niya is 8 of 8. 100%. Ayan. So, yun yung pinakamalaking attempts. Hindi, meron pa 7 ito. 7 attempt. Okay. Oh, meron pang 8. Yan. So, that's how you are going to find the number of attempts per learner. Okay, that's all for this video. Bye.